gonna start straight away with lip balm. This lip balm is from Amazon and it's a coconut one and it's really soft. I'm then gonna do brows. She has more angular brows than me, so that's what I'm gonna try to attempt. I'm using the Ted Baker eyeshadow palette for this in the shade dark brown. This just matches my hair colour better. For concealer, I'm using an Essence concealer. I'm mixing two together. One is paler than the other, that's why. I just wanted a more natural look, which is why I'm not using foundation for this. I'm mostly doing it underneath the eye area. To blend, I'm just using cheap brushes from Shein and I'm just lightly pressing that into the skin. This tutorial is just for inspiration, by the way. I just really liked the makeup on the photo that I chose, which is why I'm doing this tutorial. To make sure it's fully blended, I'm using a sponge from Shein and I'm just lightly going over the concealer. For eyes, I'm using the Too Faced Natural palette. I'm using the dark brown shade to give more shadow on my eyelids, like the inspiration photo that I'm using. This just adds more depth to the eyes and gives them more shadow. I'm then going to blend the shadow underneath the eye because that's what she's wearing in the inspo photo and it gives more of a blended look. The inspo photo is on the cover of this video, by the way. I'm then going in with this e.l.f. palette just to add more variation in the colour and to make it look less boring. I'm adding gold shimmer onto the eyelid because that's what's in the photo, and these shadows are really pigmented and you can see on the camera how amazing they look, and this palette is really cheap. This is the inspo photo, by the way. Then we're going in with eyeliner. This is the NYX black eyeliner. It's my favourite eyeliner. I'm doing the top of the lid, a thin small line, just like the photo, and I'm just blending that in. For mascara, I'm trying a new one today. It's from a Polish brand that I bought online and it's a really big brush which I really like, and it's a black mascara so it'll make my eyelashes really dark and smoky, which is what we want. We want them really long too and blended, so we want that feathery look, so that's what I'm trying to do. Next is bronzer, as she's a lot more tan than I am. I'm currently pale from winter, so I'm just going to use this bronzer on pretty much everywhere, but I'm starting on my cheeks and then I'm going to go onto my forehead as well. This bronzer is Maybelline, and I know it's slightly too dark for me, but I only realised that after editing the video, so next is lip liner. I wanted like a mauvey nudie brown for this, so to match the photo. This is the Barrett lip liner, and I got this from Amazon, and it's like the perfect shade, and it matches her lips perfectly, so I'm really happy about that. And I already own this, so I didn't have to go out and buy it. I'm just making sure that I've lined everywhere so I don't miss anywhere, and I'm slightly overlining near my cupid's bow. I couldn't find a shimmery lip gloss that was gold, that was really pigmented, so instead I'm using the collection Glam Eyes on my lips, so you get that gold shimmery look. They're really pigmented and it just gives exactly the vibe that I was going for, and it looks so similar to what Angie's wearing on the photograph. This is a really good dupe. I'm then gonna add it to the inner corners for a more glamorous look. It just adds extra detail to the eyes, and it just looks more glamorous, and her eyes in the photos look really gold and dewy as well, so that's what I'm attempting to do. And then it also matches the lips, so the look really comes together. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial, and I hope you think the look looks similar. I hope I did a good job of recreating it. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Let me know what look you want to see in the comments below.